What's going on, guys? It's me, Naeroyfjord here. I know I haven't vlogged for a very long time. So we are here in Flam, Norway at the moment. So yeah, we just rented a kayak for a couple of days. We found a campsite on the map. We're going to camp up there for tonight. And yeah, we're heading back tomorrow. So the kayak is all set. We are just about to go to our campsite. Yeah, really excited. We haven't really done a kayaking trip. We've done canoeing trip in Canada. That was a couple of years ago. So yeah, really excited. Let me show you our kayak. So I think we are right in the middle of the fjord. It's so beautiful. Just have a look at it. So I think we have another hour to go. We are just halfway through the kayak. It's an absolute pleasure, but it's a bit of it's a bit too much for us because you know we're not really used to do kayaking. So yeah, but it's fun. It's something new. You know, we don't really get to do this often, so yeah, it's so much fun. But yeah, let's get to the campground now. Bro, come on. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, that was pretty easy. That was awesome. Bit more. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so the camp is set. The feeling you get when you find your location and set your tent up, it's something you should all experience. Let me show you our camp. That's my tent. So stunning. Love this tent. Nothing much happening inside, just sleeping mat, and we have this mat and sleeping bag. And yeah, now we are off to have some lunch. We haven't really had anything to eat properly. Yeah, you can just pick this up from the supermarket. Nice and easy. We do have a cooker, but unfortunately we forgot to bring a plate. So I don't know how we're gonna cook. So we do have few other people camping next door, so we might ask these guys. So we might even cook later on. But yeah, for now, we're just gonna grab some lunch and maybe drone. There's so much to see here. There's a waterfall right up there. So beautiful. Just beneath our campsite, there is another waterfall. Yeah, really excited. So yeah, let me have something to eat. Alright, so next we are collecting some firewoods for tonight. There are a few dry woods around here, so yeah, we're just going to collect it for the night. I really hope these are dry enough. Yeah, looks like it is. Okay guys, update. It suddenly started raining, as you can hear, so we just got into our tent. It's really beautiful outside, but we can't really get out. There's like all this light coming through the clouds and it's so beautiful. But yeah, we are stuck inside our tent, but which is not too bad. Yeah, so we're just gonna rest, have some of our jerk chicken. I don't know where that is. Yeah, I tried these when I went to Lapland for a few days. It was a hike, and it's okay. It's okay. It's a good, you know, dry meat, a lot of protein. So yeah, we're gonna eat this, and we'll wait for the rain to clear. Alright guys, so I think we are finally back. The rain is gone. Yeah, we tried to sort out our tent with some bin bags and like some dry bags as well. So I think should be okay for now. But it doesn't look like it's going to rain from now. So, you know, we'll just hope and see how it goes. So all our wood we took for our campfire it's pretty much wet now. So I don't know if we're gonna do any more campfire tonight. Alright guys, so the rain is gone. I just got my hammock up. Just going to chill for a bit. Life is good. So there's a waterfall right by my side, and it's you know, it's very, it's a humble feeling. It's just you know, just being with nature. It's an amazing feeling. So good morning world. It's day 2 in Norway. We just woke up to this beautiful reflection, and just look at it.
We conquered with tongues and where we came from, said we are strong. I was too young, I was living separated. We took to the street, called the word on our feet. Is the truth that we bring. But I became changed from the things that I could see there. Saw a room full of sons and daughters unloved, reaching out for someone to come pick them up. But I was too young, could have gone next to me then. Chains around feet, but I could not breathe. With all of the hurt that was buried like a seed there. refrain for a girl with a name, and in that moment we sang you are a pearl. And I became changed, I could look her in the face now.
So finally back at the where we started the kayak. Really tired. It was really intense. It's really cold as well, because since my cloth was wet, it was it just, you know, it was really cold. But yeah, we made it back, so it's all good news. So now we're going to pack things up and make our way to Trolltunga. That's the plan.